Tell me one thing. I do so much for my cat. I cook for her, I feed her twice, thrice a day. I clean for her, I keep her clean, I clean her potty, poop twice a day. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I do so much for her, okay? So don't I deserve a kiss? Don't I have this right to give her a kiss? Don't you think that would be like fair enough for me to kiss her? Kiss this cat. I do so much for you and I don't deserve a kiss? That's what you're saying? She bites me for that. She bites me when I kiss her. Can you imagine?